the government of India with an iron hand should act upon these foreign narco terrorists or separatists to restore normalcy in the state. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, sir. Though Jirebam-Imphal railway line project started around a decade back, it has not been completed yet. Only Jirebam to Khongsang portion has been completed, but the remaining portion that is from Khongsang to Imphal is still incomplete due to many reasons. Sir, Manipur being a hilly state, our only connectivity with other states depend on national highways and airways during rainy season. Bringing in of essential commodities and traveling outside along the national highways are facing hardship due to bad roads, landslide, and extortion by different armed groups, etc. Besides this, bans and economic blockades by different groups as a means of giving pressure to the government to meet their demands are becoming their normal practice. The reason why I urge upon this demand to the government is that during this ongoing crisis, around 20 lakhs Bali people could not travel outside the state through national highways, and they are facing financial problems for traveling by flight due to high prices of airfare. Moreover, the price of food grains and other essential commodities are also rocketing sky high. So railway has become the only alternative means to resolve all these problems in spite of state and central government's effort to curb the situation in the state and along the national highways. Unprovoked firing, attacks, killings and abduction of innocent peoples and extortion along the national highways are being carried out to save the lives and the properties of the civilian. Many brave Jawans have become martyrs and many are injured in the hands of these illegal immigrants. They are really waging wars against the nation with the help of foreign hands or countries. So instead of doing impeachment policy, and before it is too late, the government of India with an iron hand should act upon these foreign narco terrorists or separatists to restore normalcy in the state as well as along the national highways and complete the Jirebam-Imphal railway line project positively by 2025 or at the earliest. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.